and shadows sway, witching through the Milky Way. Slow lines drawn, circles set tight. Speak my truth in the dead of night. Whispers echo, spirits near, but I move through the dark without fear. I am stardust, I am flame. Every spell I own my name. Bound by earth, sky, fire, steam. This is who I'm meant to be. Under moonlight, I rise and fall, answering every ancient call. Watch me burn and fade away, witching through the Milky Way. Look in the glass, see who you are. Not just the scars, but the star. Reflection deep, eyes that know the love you give, the strength you show. No need to hide, no need to run. You are the moon, you are the sun. Mirror witch, I see you clear, loving loud without fear. You are magic, you are whole, sacred body, sacred soul. Every line, every mark tells a story, leaves a spark. Hold yourself, hold your grace. You are the light, you are the place. You don't need another's touch, you are enough. Mirror witch, I see you clear, loving loud without fear. You are magic, you are whole, sacred body, sacred soul. Words are fire, words are skin. I speak in spells and I begin. Speak in spells, speak your truth. Light the fire, speak in truth. Words like water, flow and rise. Cast your circle, open skies. Call the power, call your name. Speak in spells. and be still. Call the power, call your name, speak in spells, light the flame, soft or loud, whisper or yell, every voice is a spell. Dark moon rising, shadows grow. Time to reap what you sow. In the quiet, where secrets hide, I face the night and step inside.